Need a quick fixer-upper trip out of town? Deep in the heart of Texas lay a little gem called Waco. Come with us right now. We joined some friends for a last-minute 2-night stay at the beautiful Hillcrest Estates. The one-of-a-kind home is the largest of 3 Airbnb-style homes fixed up by HGTV's famous duo, Chip and Joanna Gaines. The house sleeps 12, has 7 rooms and 3.5 bathrooms. The home has Chip and Joanna's fresh touch all over it. The home also has many cool sitting rooms, including this poker room. The exterior is also beautiful and has many outdoor hangout areas. Chip and Joanna's touch on Waco extends to the Magnolia Market at the Silos. The site is in keeping with the repurposed, refinished theme and is situated around 2 120-foot silos. Buildings house Magnolia Baking, Magnolia Home, and Magnolia Market. The courtyard, if you will, is an open space surrounded by food trucks. There is also a wiffle ball field with its own concession stand. The grounds feature many gathering areas to explore. Nothing is forgotten or left behind in the typical Chip and Joanna styling. There's a pretty cool episode of the grand opening of the space. I will leave a link right in the description. Across the street from the Magnolia Market is the Dr. Pepper Museum. Open every day, the museum is 3 floors of Dr. Pepper related history and education. You can even book a paranormal tour off hours and explore the site's haunted history. Through the tour, you will also venture through the original bottling room where carbonated water and syrup are combined and capped in bottles. At the end of the tour, make sure you visit the old school soda stand where you can get a fresh made soda of your choice. If your appetite for the Chip and Joanna style is still unquenched, you can visit Magnolia Table, another repurposed property fixed up by Chip and Joanna. Reservations are recommended as the restaurant is very popular. Make sure you grab an order of Joe's buttermilk biscuits with the strawberry butter. And make sure you brought your appetite, as the portions are very generous.